Hey y'all, it's Violet, and this video is about Hurricane Irma and the effects it has on Charleston before, during, and after the storm. The storm, according to the news, is going to be pretty big if it hits here, and it seems by all of the charts and such that there is like a target on Charleston's back saying, hey, come hit us. We're overdue for a hurricane, so
come hit us.
A lot of people are boarding up their houses right now. It's gonna be really interesting. Really hoping that it's not too destructive, but I guess we'll find out. So, I'm at Walmart with Blake, who doesn't want to be on the internet apparently, and it's kind of a madhouse. I go to Walmart quite often.
There's like 5 people.
People go insane when there's hurricanes. Like, there's no bananas.
They take all the bananas.
Why bananas? I don't really understand why people are taking so much frozen food, because if there is a hurricane and you have to evacuate, you can't keep it. And if the power goes out, then it's all gonna be gone. This is where the water should be. It's all in, oh wait, no it's not. There's still like...
The hurricane needs to make up its mind, because it's either gonna hit us or it's not. It needs to figure itself out.
Do you want it to hit us?
Well, no. But I want to know what's going on.
You know, I'm really surprised this section has so much still in it. Like, if I was of legal drinking age, wouldn't you be preparing in this section instead of getting a ton of water?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, like, water is falling from the literal sky. Isn't that the problem here?
What do you think about hurricane? Sorry?
Apparently only one flavor of Gatorade is worthy of being completely taken during an apocalypse.
No one likes... Oh, wait. Why would you like yellow Gatorade?
They took all the yellows?
Yeah, because that's what it is.
Why would you take all the yellow Gatorade? This is what IRMA, South Carolina looks like before Hurricane Irma. Proof that people are actually preparing a boarded up thing. How does this make you feel?
Makes me feel really scared. You see how dangerous this hurricane is?
What are these people thinking? Okay, there's literally a hurricane coming, and they're just like walking. They're just sitting there on the beach. These people are actually preparing for the hurricane.
They're putting away, what is that, chairs?
The things we do for
The
Are they not aware that there's a hurricane? Like, come on. Do you people not realize that there is a hurricane? Literally, you're sitting here. You're not prepared. So today is Saturday, and the hurricane is possibly supposed to hit tomorrow, maybe, I think. I'm not really sure. I haven't been really following the news, kind of just like listening to what my mom says. We are not evacuating. That means I get to see it all firsthand. Honestly, I don't really think much is going to happen. Like, it's kind of windy and there's some clouds. But as of right now, it doesn't seem very apparent that there is going to be a giant storm. The charts are saying it's not really going to hit here as bad as anymore, but I guess we'll have to wait and see. We still need to prepare more, because it's better to be over prepared than not prepared enough. Yeah. What have you done to prepare?
We moved all of our outside furniture inside, so our garage looks like a jungle.
Want to know what I've done?
What?
I bought a new flannel today.
Nice.
I think that's it. I'm really prepared. We gotta tell people to be prepared. It's important. I haven't bought bananas yet.
You know, that's bananas. I've heard good things about them.
Potassium keeps out flood water.
That's why they're all gone.
Makes sense.
Walmart.
The first house we have seen that has actually been prepared. Go you, Charleston National. I know rich people is gonna prepare. There's another one!
Hurricane shutters. Look at them. They is prepared.
They are prepared. That is how you prepare for a hurricane. Actually, how you prepare is you get a really big RV and
just live in that. Forget your home.
Look at that preparedness.
Wow.
You
Impressive.
can really see like the cinder blocks of preparedness.
They took down the garage,
yeah,
so they would be extra
won't
prepared.
Fly off. How smart.
So smart.
That's what we should do.
Impressive. That house has been boarded up since Hurricane Matthew.
Really?
They haven't unboarded it. Yeah.
Why?
Which is, I don't know. It's freaky.
People obviously
People live there.
They're just lazy. So today is Sunday, and it's still, there's no rain. It's a little chilly, but like it's September, so like we have those oddly chilly days and such in Charleston. Apparently it's supposed to tomorrow, but it's not going to be bad. Maybe. I guess we'll see. People still need to get prepared. Preparation is key in situations such as the one we are in currently.
Here's Florida up here.
Oh,
Here's a hurricane coming in here. There's a pressure system out here, a pressure system up here. And what's happening, hurricane's coming this way. This system is coming around like that, pushing the hurricane further west. This system is coming like this, forcing, and so the two winds are going to be between here and come right into South Carolina.
But I thought that cap was Florida.
It is, and up here is Charleston. And these two winds are going like this, blowing in here. It's like between two buildings in a skyscraper. Maybe some power outages. Everybody should evacuate immediately.
I know.
Danger, danger, evacuate.
What have you done to prepare?
Oh, I've done absolutely nothing. Because I'm lazy, basically. I mean, you know, it's fun to talk about this stuff, but doing something about it, now that's a whole different deal. I mean, that's somebody else's. That's not my job.
Downtown is pretty boarded up. That's just paper. I'm not really sure how that's going to help them, but they tried. What are your thoughts on the whole situation?
On the what?
On the hurricane?
Spain is going to hit us, and it's not going to be that good.
Are you excited?
Why would I be excited? It's going to like mess up my birthday.
Oh yeah, it's happening on your birthday, isn't it? You should be clearing out the water at Whole Foods because it's only 89 cents.
For real, I got a ball plate.
Also, I found this. What happened to your face?
IRMA.
You gotta get the hurricane before the hurricane gets you, Jack. This is how you properly prepare for hurricane. You get mochi, water, and that's all we bought.
I bought an expensive jacket and a ring. I'm ready.
You lost the ring.
I lost the ring.
I like chocolate and strawberry the best. What about you?
My favorite Play-Doh is, I guess the one I just ate. No, I like chocolate. It's like the only normal one.
But I ate the whole thing.
You did.
It's the day of the hurricane. I have my hurricane flannel on that I bought in preparation. And, dude, it's raining and windy. Like, can you hear that wind? Can you hear that wind? There's like things flying around in my backyard right now that I'm staring at and you can't see because it's behind you and behind the camera. And it's raining and I had a dream that my family woke me up to go to Pitt Street Bridge. And then my family actually woke me up to go there and I didn't go because I was sleeping and now I can't find them. And the scariest thing of all, y'all, the Wi-Fi is out. my family. There's one of them. The power keeps turning on and on. Off and on. What have I been doing with my life? Well, I literally thought the power was out this entire time. And so I've been sitting in darkness. And then I find out the power isn't actually out. You want to go outside? Nope. Yes.
You just
Nope.
stick with that. Are we about ready?
Is it raining?
No, it's not. Not yet. I think we're only gonna get like a light rain.
Yeah, me too. I wonder when it's gonna start.
Yeah, I know.
Blake, what are we doing?
We're going out in the middle of a storm. It's not that bad. It's fine.
It's not raining.
Yeah.
Tree just fell on my room.
Blake, shut the heck door, dude.
It's shut. There's my bedroom and a tree on my house. Are you scared? Was it scary when the tree fell on the roof? Were you just laying there asleep and it hit and it fell? Oh yay, love how where the tree fell. My roof is leaking. So as you can see, the Wi-Fi is back on. Sweetie and I have been watching Bates Motel, binge watching it, and I really relate to Emma, and it kind of freaks me out how similar we are as people.
His mind was so used to.
I recommend watching this if you want to see what happens to me in my life.
So you're saying I'm gonna have
I mean, I don't know how it's going to end, but
Well, you know, it's
I guess we'll see.
I know I've been dealing with
Still watching Bates Motel with my lovely Sweetie.
keep me in the loop.
Sweetie, how do you feel about this storm at this point? Tell me more about how your life has been. I'm so bored. CFC was supposed to come out with an update as to what we're doing regarding school. And do we have any emails from CFC? Let's see. Nope. No, we don't. So CFC has finally contacted us, and I don't have class until Thursday. Today is Tuesday after the hurricane, and let's just go see all the stuff that's been destroyed, because it was crazy, man. All that tree stuff right there was the tree that fell on our house. For like reference, like that's my foot. If you can even see that. That's my foot compared to like the size of the tree. It's like, I don't know, like 4 of my feet across, which is It was a pretty big tree. The birthday boy, what do you think of the hurricane destruction?
There's a lot of rain, there's a lot of wind, there's a lot of downed trees, and that's about it.
Were you prepared?
I was prepared more than anyone else in the entire house.
Thoughts on the aftermath, Rascal? Well, Armageddon is now finally over. Thank goodness. In all seriousness, I really hope no one got hurt. I'm not really sure. I haven't really looked at the news. I'm pretty sure no one around here really did. Wasn't too bad here. I know in Florida it's a different story. Thankfully there wasn't too much destruction, and that's about it for me. I hope you enjoyed this hurricane awareness preparedness experience vlog, and if you enjoyed this, or even if you didn't enjoy this, you should like and subscribe for more oddly spontaneous content. Bye!